The rook is the second most powerful piece in chess after the queen and is worth 5 points. It represents a castle tower, although in the origins of chess it symbolized a war chariot. The rook moves in straight lines, horizontally or vertically, up, down, or to the sides, and it can move as many squares as are free. However, it cannot jump over other pieces. If there's a piece in front of it, its movement stops there. To capture, the rook simply moves to the square occupied by the opponent's piece, taking its place. At the beginning of the game, the rooks are placed in the corners of the board, a 1 and h1 for white, a 8 and h8 for black, so they aren't active at first. To make them useful, you need to develop them, that is, place them where they can participate in the game. A good way to do this is by castling. If you don't yet know how to castle, you can click at the top right to watch the video where we explain it in detail. Afterward, rooks are usually placed on open files without pawns, or semi-open files with few pawns, from where they can attack, defend, or control the board. It's also important to connect the two rooks, meaning there are no pieces between them, so they can protect each other and work as a team. In the endgame, rooks are very powerful because they can move quickly across the board and support pawn promotion. In this position, the rook could move upward, go to the corner, move down to the opposite corner, travel across the board, or make shorter moves, for example, here or here. Now that you've learned how the rook moves, captures, and is used strategically, it's your turn to practice and master this powerful piece, and the best way to do that is by joining BlackChess Academy, link in the description.